Hey, morning. How's everybody doing? 6:58 in the morning, Chi-Town. It's the 7th of August. What do we got, man? We got nothing going on here. All right, so SanDisk closed 12:58, trading 12.85. It's up by about $30 here, a little bit higher here, but they're jumping around just like yesterday. So hoping for more breaks to the downside. All right, that's what we're looking for. So with the chop going on the way they are right now, it's going to be hard to tell. All right. And I think that's the way they like it. SanDisk, there you go. Coming back down a little bit from was up to higher at 1311, and now she's back into that 1280 range. So we know we're still 1460 to the upside, and we're down to 13. I'm sorry. After yesterday, I got to give you another number on the downside. 1460 coming to the upside there. The SanDisk. All right. Micron. There's your day yesterday. So kind of gave up a little bit here on the daily. There's your 2 hour coming in today, if I can get that right. All right, so there you go. All right, there you got a 1-1. It's doing nothing inside there. All right, and coming back from a high of 900 spot 27, they backed off again by about $5 here right now. All right, kind of quiet right now. All right, Marvel closed at 210. It looks like we're trading higher now. This morning was up to from what I'm seeing here on overnight's 219. Okay, but right now we've backed off into this 215 range in here with Marvel. So inside your day here pretty handily. A little bit to the higher end of it here, sitting at 215.80. We'll see. So we're going to be stuck inside day right there on the beginning of the of the opening, it looks like. All right, and SanDisk as well at 13 and a quarter. It's trading 12.85, so you're going to be inside the day as well. And then you got the Micron. Micron same way here, got up to 8. It gets up to 903.60. Doesn't get us anywhere near, guys. It's 913. All right, so Micron definitely buried inside day. We'll take a look at Marvel. All right, so Marvel coming back inside here overnight. Got 219. I think we already talked about this one. All right, so Marvel. And then what are we watching there? We're looking at keeping an eye on Taiwan Semi. All right, keeping an eye on Taiwan Semi here. Got up to about 422.50, and she's back down into this 419 range. That looks like to be inside day as well. All right, so Taiwan Semi looks like we're all going to be inside here with the semis. What else do we got going? Well, the Mag 7 kind of stalled out yesterday with all this moving that was going on, and Tesla, took a slide, got all the way back down yesterday. All right, so we'll see where we got down yesterday. We got all the way down to 315 and change. All right, so we're here. We're sitting at 321, guys. I do not chase Tesla here. Even though the Mag 7's better, and I think that is better than the semis, but I'm a little cautious on that one. Tesla. All right. These are just this morning. Now looking to see what's going on with my coffee over here. All right. So what are we looking at now? We're looking at Google. We're looking at Google coming back down here. All right. So again, the 358.31. This is finishes the day with a 3-1 inside. So we're going to have to get through 362. We're at 356. We're looking to take the 312 possibly down. All right. That's the way it's setting up for right now on Google. All right. So Tesla Google, both kind of like limping here a little bit or just pulling in. I'm saying pulling in. All right. I think a move back on these is where we want to be looking at. All right. So Google, NVIDIA. All right. NVIDIA, if I can get it to come up here. Okay. NVIDIA, chopping here on the overnight. Chopping. Not ever really telling us too much. It was a red day yesterday. Got down to 216.76. She's better this morning, so that's going to help pick up the Mag 7 right there. NVIDIA, probably the biggest guy in the room, right? So NVIDIA could pick the whole rest of that crew back up. We'll see about that. All right, Microsoft, just too much. You got everything. Bam, 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 and how do we move from here? I'm looking at the month here, and I'm looking at the week here. All right, I do have magnitudes 524. All right, so you're gonna have to get $26 or so, 25 and a half bucks to get back up there. She's holding up, and that's good. That's at this point. This is good, right? she's holding up pretty good. Those gains, man. All right. Meta. I'm meta, girl. Meta. Okay. Meta, come back up here. All right. 30-minute nice hammer coming up here, but we were higher at 590.44. All right, so we've come back into this 58.83. No matter what we do here, folks, at 588, we are stuck right in the middle of the day. So we got a lot of these. We got a lot of the semis inside day, and now we got a lot of these Mag 7s inside day. So see what seems like it might be a slow start. All right, so Amazon. What do we got on Amazon here? Made the move, triangled out. I was hoping for more to the downside from this gap up. I was saying don't touch this thing up here. All it has come down, and you got to shoot her down on the day there yesterday. Where's she trading at right now? 273. Again, you're going to be inside. All right, so caution. All right, caution flag. All right, but again, I like this Mag 7 to break down so we can buy some. Okay, that's what we're looking at. We're going to be looking at buying dips on the Mag 7. All right, and we'll keep an eye on the Mags as well, MAGS. Mags this morning, what are you doing? Kind of popped up here to 68.38. These things pop up all the time, though. Coming more into this 68.60 range right now. Now you've got the inside day today, and you're handily inside there right around 68.60. All right, so going to be stuck inside the mag. So we're going to keep an eye on these guys. They're going to be all inside day. One stock that I liked this morning that had bad news the other day. I think D-Dog going to recover quickly. All right. The day it broke here was the shooter down day with the gapper down. All right, so 243.01, 243.01. We're already up to 235, guys. All right, so we're inside here still. Okay, we're in here around this. Like I said, right now, 234.46. Okay, so we're going to be inside here. We're not going anywhere, but I think this thing's going to get. I think this thing will recover quickly. So I'll keep an eye on the D-Dog on that one too. Salesforce is a little bit better. I don't know about this group here. Qualcomm's got some news out today, and that one's a little better. Salesforce here. This triangle out, it's like a new beginning here. You got shooter down kind of on the week here, and it could be easily repaired. You got to get it through back up to 188. Not too bad. Salesforce, just looking at that Cloudflare, just because we can cover all of these techs. All right. D-Dog and Oracle is another one, I think. I said Oracle will probably triangle out, um, and it hasn't yet. So 2-1. I mean, this is it's looking beautiful, right? It's been down forever. I mean, it's just been looking on the quarterly. So anyhow, 2-2 up here. We'll see if this can any kind of triangle out here. I think any move to the downside would be buying Oracle. All right. But just on pullbacks. All right, that's what I got. That's what I got for now. I'll do another video here when we get closer to that. I just wanted to fill you in on what's happening this morning here. Take a look at the SPY. All right, there's your SPY right there. Coming back, shooter, whatever this is going on here. Hammer coming back up here, 770.86. All right, so looking at from the daily now, 772.02. All right, so we're going to be inside day on SPYs, and it looks the same way on Qs here. All right, Qs got up to about 719.28. We're better, but you're still going to be inside day at 718 and change. And then we look at the diamonds, and we say they're finally going back up here, man. After a day yesterday, it was a big downer day yesterday for the diamonds in the Dow. And here they come running back, but you're going to be inside, so don't get too crazy with it. 539, that's it. Be good.